there's two kind of competing products here, and that's the GoPro Volta and this Telesin power bank selfie stick. And they both do different things here, but for the main part, they have that power bank that's gonna give you a lot longer battery. And I've used this many times and it's gotten me out of a jam, like if the batteries are going flat and I don't have anything to charge them up. So with the Volta, you have a little tripod here and you can adjust your GoPro on top and spin it around. It also has these little legs so that you can attach it to action mount accessories. So if you want to have this charging and be on an action mount, that will work. It also gives you a remote control, so you can control this from just like hand holding it or from like afar. So you can connect it through Bluetooth and then start and stop recording, change modes, all that good stuff. But with the Telesin one thing that I love about it is it just does have a long selfie pole. So it could still be charging when it's plugged in and fully extended. And I think that's really, really handy. They're both really good accessories and one might just benefit you more than the other. So if you're looking to extend that battery life, yeah, you'll be happy with one of these depending on what you need it for.